Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In the previous session we have learned how to backup and restore data in Tally ERP9. In today's class we are going to learn how to move into a new financial year. Continuing entries in new financial year. To move our data to the new financial year, change the current period. When the current period is changed, the balances from the previous financial year are carried forward. We can continue voucher entry for new financial year as well as previous financial year. This will also bring the ability to see the comparative reports of different financial year together. Please note, do not alter the company financial year from company Alter screen. Let's try. I will try to change the financial year beginning date to 1st of April 2020. We get a message data entered before this date will be lost. Do you want to continue? We will not continue since we need the data. So, let's start. As you can see here, I have created a company as Libre Computers. Please note the current financial year, 1st of April 2019 to 31st of March 2020. Once we have passed all the entries of the 31st of March, we need to pass entries from 1st April, which is basically a new financial year. So let's see what happens if we go to pass entries for 1st April. We go to Accounting Vouchers. Open Payment Voucher. Press F2 and try to change the voucher date to 1st of April 2020. So we find an error message is displayed. Date cannot be above the current period 1st of April 2019. Press Escape key and go back. This does not allow us to pass entries for the new financial year. So now we will use an option in Tally, which will allow us to change the accounting period. Click on Period option or press Alt key and F2. Change Period screen will open up. It's asking us for from and to dates. Enter the period from 1st April to 31st of March 2021. Click again on Accounting Vouchers. Press F2 to enter the voucher date, 1st of April 2020. We see that this new date is accepted. Enter any transaction, and accept it. Press Escape and go back. Now we will enter a voucher which is of previous financial year, for which we will have to change the financial period to April 2019 to March 2020. Click again on Period. Enter the period 1st of April 2019 to 31st of March 2020. Now we go back to Accounting Voucher, press F2 and enter the date 1st of April 2019. Now pass an entry and accept it. So this way we can pass entries of previous financial year. Now we will see another method of moving into new financial period. Click on Period option or press Alt key and F2. In the change period, see enter from 1st of April 2019, which is starting date of previous financial year, to 31st of March 2021, which is the ending date of new financial year. This way we can easily pass entries of both the years, without switching the financial year back and forth. Let's revise. In today's session we have learned extending accounting period and moving into new financial year in Tally ERP9 using change period option. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.